everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make turmeric cream easily at home. This turmeric cream is 100% natural and is also 100% effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion and removing all your dark spots, acne scars, pimples and uneven skin complexion, and will make your skin more flawless, glowing, fair, radiant and spotless. This cream is also very effective in removing your fine lines, wrinkles and pigmentation and works as a great anti-aging treatment. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this highly effective turmeric cream. So the first ingredient which we need is turmeric powder. After that we are gonna need rice flour, or it's also known as rice powder. Then you're gonna need honey. After that you're gonna need rose water. After the rose water you're gonna need almond oil, and if you don't have the almond oil you can also use the vitamin E oil. And the last ingredient which we need is aloe vera gel. So now let's prepare this turmeric cream, and to prepare this cream you firstly have to take approx 1 tablespoon honey in a clean bowl. And after honey you have to add approx half a teaspoon almond oil in it. And now after adding them, just give a slight mix to both these ingredients. And now after mixing them well, you have to add the third ingredient, which is the rose water, and you just have to add approx 1 teaspoon rose water in it, and then you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth and a runny mixture. And once all these three ingredients are nicely mixed and your runny mixture is ready, it will look like this. And now it's the time to add the main ingredient of this home remedy, which is turmeric. And now you have to add approx half a teaspoon turmeric powder in it. And after the turmeric powder you have to add half a teaspoon rice flour in it. And now after adding both these ingredients you have to just mix everything really well to make a smooth and a lump-free paste. Now after mixing both these ingredients, I am adding a little bit more turmeric powder and rice flour in it to make the consistency of this paste a little bit more thick. And now again you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth, thick and a lump-free paste. And once all these ingredients are nicely mixed, your 90% home remedy is ready. And it will look like this, and the consistency of this paste should be medium to thick as I'm showing you in the video. And now let's add the last ingredient of this home remedy, which is the aloe vera gel, and you just have to add 1.5 to 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel in it. And then you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth, lump-free, creamy and a fluffy paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade turmeric cream is ready, and it will look like this. This is a 100% effective and 100% natural homemade turmeric cream which works wonders on your skin and will solve almost all your skin related issues within just few days. And the consistency of this cream should be smooth, creamy and fluffy. So now let's see how to store this 100% natural and effective homemade turmeric cream. So here I am transferring this cream into this small airtight container, and you can store this cream in any airtight container in refrigerator for up to 20 to 25 days. This 100% natural turmeric cream is a homemade treatment for almost all your skin related issues. This cream will help to lighten and whiten your skin complexion. It will also help to remove all your dark spots, pesky marks, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation problem, and will make your skin even toned, fair, glowing, spotless and radiant. This cream also works great in removing your fine lines, wrinkles and all types of aging signs from your skin, and makes your skin ageless, spotless and much radiant and glowing than before. So now let me So now let me tell you the effective way to use this cream correctly to get best results in just no time. So the way to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just have to take a little amount of this cream and then gently massage it all over your skin for 10 to 15 seconds or until your skin completely absorbs this cream. And after the gentle massage, just leave it overnight. And if you don't want to leave it overnight, you have to leave it for at least 1 to 2 hours. And after that, just rinse it off with normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin really well. And for the best results, you have to use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed for best and effective results. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.